Let us see in our textbook models, PEP activity. Recall that models are words used with verbs to convey additional meaning. So, modal verbs are used with verb to convey additional meaning. Read figure 6 to know more about models and their uses. Complete the table by writing a complete sentence as an example. So, you should write your own example sentence. Model function to express use in a sentence. Can. Can is used to express ability as we seen before. I can come with you to the park. Cannot. Cannot is used to express inability. You have to write your own sentence. May. May is used to express permission or possibility. Use in a sentence, you may come in. So, may is used for asking permission. Next, must. Must is used to express strong obligation. Obligation means an act or course of action to which a person is morally or legally bound. Example sentence, people must keep quiet in a library. Next, must not or mustn't. It is used to express prohibition. You all know prohibition means the action of forbidding. Forbidding means unfriendly, blocking something, especially by law. You have to write your own sentence here. Next, should. Should not, shouldn't. So both are used to give advice or talk about opinions about right or wrong. You have to write your own example sentence using should. Next example sentence, we should not or shouldn't fight with our friends. Next, read the comic strip on the next page. Complete it by filling in the speech bubbles wherever necessary. Underline the models in the other dialogues. Let us read the conversation. You know, I can swim very well in the river. What can you do very well? Here, which model is used? Can is used. So, you should underline the word can. Next, you have to write your own dialogue according to the previous dialogue. Next, I cannot cook well. I am so bored of the daily fish for my lunch. I think we must eat humans. So, in this sentence, which model is used? Yes, cannot. You should underline the word cannot. Next, no, we shouldn't eat humans. Here, which model is used? Shouldn't. So, you should underline the word shouldn't. Likewise, you have to complete the remaining boxes also. Using models. Next activity, look deep, 8.11. Read the two sets of sentences. Underline the models used in each. Set 1, sentence A, Sonu can speak in Spanish. Here, which model is used? Can. Sentence B, Sonu could speak in Spanish 2 years ago. Here, which is the model? Could. Can past tense is could. In set 2, sentence C, it may rain today. Here, which is model? May is a model. Next, sentence D, it might rain today. May past tense is might. Is there difference in the meaning conveyed in each set? Discuss. We use the models to add meaning to ideas, thoughts, and situations in the present, the past, and in the future. In Look Deep 8.11, sentence A talks about Sonu's ability to speak in Spanish in the present. So, can is used in the present. Whereas sentence B talks about him being able to speak in Spanish but in the past. Here, could is used in the past. Similarly, sentences C and D both indicate possibility of rain. Read figure 7 to understand the use of models. Model use in a sentence. May. May is used to express to politely ask for permission to do something. Example, may I come in, madam? To politely give someone permission to do something. You may go now. To talk about a possible situation. We may go on a picnic this Sunday. To express a wish or hope. May there be peace. Next, might. Might is used to talk about a possible situation in the past. Use in a sentence, Sahin might have visited if she had not fallen ill. Next, I might have forgotten to tell you something important. Next, could. Could is used to talk about ability in the past. Example, Mohan could write poetry. Could is used to make a polite suggestion. Could we finish working before the show starts? Next, could is used to place a request. Could your sister help me with my home fund? Next, observe that might is the past tense form of may. So, might is the past tense form of may. However, it is now generally acceptable to use either may or might to talk about possible situations in the present or in the past. For example, my mother thinks I may become a teacher. My mother thinks I might become a teacher. Next tip. The negative forms of might and could are might not and could not. Might not suggests you do not know if something happens. Could not suggest that it is impossible for something to happen. For example, my father might not have the key. Maybe he does not have the key. So here might not refers maybe he does not have the key. My father could not have the key. It is impossible. It is impossible that he has the key. So might not refers maybe he does not have the key. Could not refers it is impossible that he has the key. Next, second one, may not. May not can be used to prohibit someone from doing something. For example, you may not talk inside the library. Next, you may not take photos inside the church. Next, word of caution. When giving permission or expressing wishes, use only may. So, when you are giving permission or expressing your wishes, you should use only may. For example, may I come in? This is the right form. You should not use might I come in. This is wrong. Next, think and ink activity 8.12. Recall that the lady in the poem has a unique pet, a crocodile. Imagine you want to adopt a unique pet at home. In pairs, you can choose any one person from your family and you can carry out this activity. In pairs, carry out a role play. One partner will play the role of the parent and the other will be the child. Discuss the following things. Whether the proposed animal can be a suitable pet, how you can care for it, possible problems you and or the pet may face. Write at least 5 exchanges between the characters. Arrive at a decision based on your discussion. Refer to the example on the next page. This is an example. I find pandas very cute. May I adopt a panda? Father, no, it might be difficult for the panda to adjust in our home. We don't have enough space. Could we move to a bigger space? Then there might not be any problem. Use your notebook, reflect. Did you arrive at your decision after much thought? What do you think could be the result of a wrong decision here? Next, summary. Complete the activity 8.13. Complete the concept map below. Write the functions of each model in the given bubbles as indicated. Write a complete sentence as an example for each function. So children, you have to write functions of each model given in the bubbles, and you can refer page number 51 and 52 for the functions of model. In page number 55, you should write your example sentences for each function of given models.
I hope you all understood the topic, children. If you have any doubts, you can call me and clarify your doubts. Thank you, children.